Buddy. So today I am very excited to do this unboxing video. This box is the most beat up rose order I ever got, and this is an order that I actually received all the way from Ireland. It's a bare root roses that I order from ePlant They ship to lots of I think worldwide. They ship to Canada, they ship to United States, of course all the Europe country. So I am very excited to get it. First, they are really cheap. I mean, for me they are really cheap. I think average is about 16 euro, or even less than that, maybe 15 euro for each of the roses, and the shipment is flat rate 50 euro. So if you order a lot, it's really worth it. Plus, they have a lots of variety that you cannot get in United States, like Tantal roses, Cordes, like I got some very hard to get, like the Chippendale. I got Heidi Klum, Isvogel. It's quite a lot of them. So quite a lot of them mainly you cannot get in US. So I'm gonna just open it up. Just so excited. So I just want to open it and show you. I haven't even opened it yet. I want to open together with you. So let me open it up. I will show you how it looks like. Okay. All right. So when I open it up, there's some little bubble wrapping thing. Ooh, I think that looks pretty good. So let me open it up. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay. All right, they got the kind of like the instruction come with it. Say you need to soak the root for 12 to 24 hours in a bucket of water. You can put a root booster liquid fertilizer in there, and they give you the instruction on how to do it. Okay. All right, let me who cares, we know how to grow the rose. And let's open it up. I'm just gonna have to stop the video. I'm just gonna open it. All right, there you go. So some of them are not looking too hot, but some of them are looking amazing. So for example, this is well inspired. Look at that cane. It's quite a lot of cane. I have one cane that I need to prune off, but that's about it. The Chippendale is beautiful. She's a Chippendale. I finally got a Chippendale after so many years. Oh my god, look. I mean, I need to trim a little bit, but it's okay. It's not too bad at all. And then I have some of the smaller one. This is the Bouquet Buffet. Bouquet Buffet actually you can get in US, but you're just never able to find it. Just so hard to find it. This one needs to be trimmed a little bit, so we'll see how it looks. And then Heidi Klum. This is Heidi Klum. Heidi Klum need to be trimmed as well, but nothing serious. I see a little new growth, even from the graph right there. And then I have let's see what else. The orangey doesn't look so hot. It was like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe after I soak it. I don't like the new growth. Maybe I will cut it off and let it start over again. I don't know why they sent me Larissa. Don't really need a Larissa, so I need to talk to them. I think they should send me two orangey. I ordered two orangey, but they only sent me one orangey and one Larissa. I think they messed up right there. And then this is Sweet Dream. Sweet Dream is the one that looks the most pathetic, I think. But it's okay. I can still work on it. Just need to trim it off and let it start again. I mean, it was not too bad. This is nostalgic. So nostalgic has some pretty thick can. Then I have this is a lovely green. How cool is that? I like it. Lovely green. Pretty cute looking. Then this is Capri. Alright. Alright, sorry. This is Capri. Capri is looking fine too. And I have... Did I show you all this already? Probably not. This is Iswa Gel. Iswa Gel is amazing. I have one. It's amazing rose. And the big one, let me show you. This is Giardina. Oh, look at that big shoot. I need to trim this off. No big deal. It was a cross can anyway. I need to trim it off anyway. And then I have this Rose de Tobiac. Well, bear with me with my pronunciation. It looks pretty good. That's a climber. So this is a climber. This is a climber. This is also a climber. Both of these are a climber. And yeah, that's about it. So I need to soak it up, and then hopefully I will have time to plant them tomorrow, because it's gonna get hot really soon over here. I need to do it fast, right? Fast, okay? So there you go. They still have it's still open for ordering in the United States right now, and I know people from even from California receive their roses. So feel free to, you know, to order if you want some variety that you cannot get in the United States, and they are so cheap. Like, they are so cheap. I mean, you can't get any cheaper than this, even not even when you buy in United States. So there you go. This is my open box from ePlant Ireland.com. They ship out last Tuesday, and I get it today, and they give a tracking. So when you receive a tracking, it will track all the way until you leave Ireland, and then once it reach United States, when you're unable to use the tracking number to track it already, then it means you're already in United States and you need to track it through the USPS. And it takes 6 days to reach to me from the day that they ship out. So it's not too bad. It's kind of like getting my shipment from California, really. So it was not really bad at all, okay? So there you go. This is my open box. Hope it helps. And let me know if you have any comments, and if you already buy from the Wiser Experience. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. So I'm soaking my bearroot inside my pond water once again. I just made a last-minute decision that I'm gonna give away the Larissa that I received as an extra. Since I got it for extra, I'm gonna do a giveaway to my subscriber in my YouTube channel. So if you want Larissa rose, leave a comment inside and say that I want Larissa. Just leave a comment in the video, and I'm gonna do a drawing from all the name I receive. I will make it this Friday. I will do a drawing on this Friday, and then I will announce the winner in a separate YouTube short. And then it's only for United States. I'm sorry, I cannot ship outside of United States. It's too much of a trouble. But if you want to participate, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then put your name down in the comment section. I will do a drawing on Friday night, probably 9 o'clock Central Time, and then I will, if you're the winner, please contact me to my email and leave me your address so that I can send it to you. All right, there you go. Hope it's interesting for you, this video, and let me know what you think. Bye bye.